Fire magic is a tricky thing to master. In order to really understand it, you'll need a flame tome. To start on one, get a fake book. This way you can keep your goodies inside. Trace an area for your candle to go into your book. Cut that out and then sand the edges if needed. Now, trace your book onto some vinyl, leaving extra vinyl on the sides to wrap your edges with. Cut your vinyl out along with a hole for a candle. Now we can cut out long strips of CosBond attach and build and place it all over the edges of your book. Peel the backs of them and stick your vinyl around your book. Cut the vinyl at the corners and then peel and stick on some attach and build. Begin wrapping the vinyl around the entire cover. Now use some hot glue to stick your candle in place. And with that, we have the base of our flame tome finished. In the next video, we'll be adding on all the details.